Welcome to Blue Marble Geographic's Ask the Experts. I'm Rachel Landry, and today I'm joined by my colleague Mackenzie Mills, the technical content writer here at the company. Today, Mackenzie will be showing us a new feature in Global Mapper 23 and Pro, which are set to be released in mid-September of 2021. Today, Mackenzie will be showing us the Breakline extraction feature tool in the upcoming release. Mackenzie, I think that I can say for the whole audience that we are excited to learn about this tool, so take it away.
So automatic breakline extraction is a new tool in Global Mapper Pro, and this tool works to extract 3D breaklines from gridded terrain where there's a distinct change in elevation or slope. To look closer at this tool, we first have a workspace with some terrain data for the Grand Canyon. Opening up the breakline extraction tool, we see we have three methods for setting up this extraction. For this data set, we'll use the first one to detect breaklines at slope region boundaries in order to extract breaklines at larger changes in elevation or slope. Setting the maximum slope that will be considered flat to about 15 degrees and the minimum length for an extracted breakline to 300 meters, lines are extracted at a broader scale. Now, these generated 3D breaklines are 3D vector lines that will appear at specific elevations in the 3D viewer and will highlight the edges of the Grand Canyon here. Looking at a different method with this tool, I have a second data set here, a small section of a road with a very distinct curve we can see in the path profile. Now, to extract breakline for this curve, we'll use the third method for extraction that's based on the curvature of the terrain. The 3D lines created for the curves are fairly distinct here, and we can see that there are some smaller lines generated, along the crown of the road and some other breaks in elevation. But again, these are 3D vector features that can easily be edited or selected and deleted.
Mackenzie, thank you so much for showing us this new feature. I know that the audience and I are excited to try it out once it's available. To learn more about Global Mapper version 23 and Global Mapper Pro, please visit www.bluemarblegeo.com today. And as always, thank you so much for joining us for Ask the Experts, and be sure to stay tuned for our next episode.